Just walking around her. Vietnam. To see in the world, so many streets and cities to view in Vietnam. Oh, 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 Vietnam. Walking around her, seeing her, checking out where, oh, just walking around where.
We're going to just give you a little bit example of what this street looks like at nighttime. There's some bars and some nightlife stuff. There's a little area down there that's all at. So we're going to put this up on the map and we're going to walk down the street and just give you an idea of it. There's some hotels here, some kind of cool looking architecture. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're going to walk down and show you what this street looks like in Hue, Vietnam, Central Vietnam. Up on the map. Okay, we are in Hue, so I have lots of street videos in Hue. Let's put this up on the map. This is where Hue is at in Vietnam, and then we're basically going to be in this area, which is where the tourists are at. So let's just get right into it and show you as if you're there yourself. Okay, so let's go. Our cross street is that one, and we're going to go down this one. So you saw where we are, and he has some lights up ahead. Okay, here's something right here. This little thing says walking street. And I don't know if that refers to this street or not. I think what they do is they block it off, and then that one would be like all pedestrians. But maybe at the moment it's a Thursday night right now, so maybe on a Thursday they don't block it into a pedestrian street, is my guess, based on the cars and traffic. Okay, so we're going to be walking by a Cuban place here in a minute. See one of the few that we're going to see. go towards that. Plaza Cubana. I walked by it last night. I was with a friend of mine. So we got somebody just shouted if I wanted to buy marijuana, but I do not want to buy marijuana. That would be a bad idea, because that's a good way to land in jail and prison and have to try to get his way out of it. Okay. This guy to the left, they're kind of waiting for tourists, so they're probably going to say, do I want to ride? But I'm going to sneak across over here and film this Bunbo Way. And this is, well, I actually had it earlier today. It's pretty good. Hue beef noodle soup. That's what it is. Okay, let's keep on walking down our street. Here's a massage place.
Hello.
Hello. We'll keep on walking down. Over here we have Ice Twist. Okay, let me see here. Healing homestay, lots of homestays. Also, it's interesting, these little alleys. There's little alleys you can walk down, and there's more businesses and homestays, hotels, stuff like that. Restaurant. Places to sit outside at the restaurant. Hotel. Hostel. Old car parked in kind of in the road, but off to the side a little bit. So, but it looks like people park here kind of wherever they want. It's kind of what I noticed. You can also put anything you want on the sidewalk as well. Hello. So I guess there is some freedom to that. You're going to do whatever you want. It's kind of a cool shirt. Okay, so I guess the best thing that we can do right now is get across. I want to get away from the cars and go over on that side. You see how cool some of these places look. Glacier Bar restaurant. Super nice. Here's another bar here. So yeah, you can sit outside, kind of view the people walking by. And you have other stuff on that side. Hotels. We're gonna get up to this intersection. And the intersection has a bunch of bars that kind of, I think that's kind of one of the main intersections. So we're gonna be up there in a minute. You can see Boutique Hotel up there. These guys asked me if I want to take a ride. And then here you got all this coolness. All that really nice. I'll hold the camera to my left in case somebody tries to grab it. Okay. We got interesting stuff in every direction here. We're going to move that right now. This is the Baga restaurant. See the water's coming down that way. So we got a restaurant right here. More bars down that way. More interesting architecture. Beautiful one on the corner right here. More beautiful stuff on that corner. And we're gonna walk across directly into this corner here. The Va Bar. It's really amazing. Va Bar. You can also go upstairs as well. We're gonna keep on walking down this way, but before we do, we have some other bars here and also on this corner as well. And probably a lot of foreigners are watching to see if I'm gonna get my camera stolen from me from a motorbike. Let's keep on walking down. And we got these guys, so he's gonna say hello as well. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Thank you. So I don't like them when they touch my hand. Basically, like a lot of times they'll be selling drugs, and you gotta kind of be careful with those guys. There's grab taxi everywhere, so you can take grab taxis, and then the payment is fine, and you always get a good guy. But if they can't afford to have the grab taxi stuff, or they're not on it for some reason, you know, they could be legitimate and honest, but it's not really worth the risk. So I usually don't mess with those guys. Okay, so we can keep on walking down. We got an Indian restaurant. So I have to watch my back. I'm walking towards the traffic so that I can see people coming if somebody tries to grab the camera or anything like that. I think it's pretty safe here in Hue, but another cool building. Actually, I like that one a lot. It's amazing. We're gonna walk this way just to capture how beautiful that is. It's really, really beautiful. Wow. So we're gonna walk to the end over here. I really like that. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. Wow. Love it. Hue is quite beautiful, actually. Like it's just a nice city. Let's go. There's more stuff down that way. This is like a little whole area of interesting stuff. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. I'm gonna get on the other side of the street. And we're gonna go down to that pink building that says massage. Then we get to walk down this, and then we're gonna complete our street. And I think it's gonna get a little too dark to film and walk. Just kind of slow down a little bit so you can capture that. How cool that looks. We got more stuff over there too, including some stuff up the top. I think we're gonna try to capture that right there. Yeah, it looks super cool. Tavern. Yeah, it looks super amazing. Looks like they also got like little bar girl, like beer girls. I think they have those uniforms for Huda. You get some Huda beer, and then they have like the uniforms. So it's kind of interesting as well. Huda is there's pub beer, and it says Huda Ice Twist. This area of Central Vietnam, their beer is Huda, so you see it everywhere. We've got more beer girls here. So I think they're also the same. So we're gonna go just a little bit further, and then we're gonna end our video. So we're gonna end at this massage shop, then we're gonna give you a little bit of an idea where we are exactly, and then that'll be the end of our street. There's a massage place. The end here. Doi Kong. And that's our street right there. Now you have another slice of what Hue, Vietnam looks like. Let's see if I can get across here. And I'm gonna capture it like this, but I'm also gonna look down the street over here. Some kind of cool stuff down that way as well. Oops, sorry. Then we're gonna walk down this way, and then we're gonna end the video. So that was our street here in Hue. There's lots more to see. I guess this turns into a walking street at another time. So there's that walking street sign again. And on that note, we're gonna end our video. And so yeah, this whole area, I think it's like maybe 5-6 blocks, something like that, of kind of bars and hotels and homestays and restaurants and things like that. And on that note, we're gonna end it right. Hello. We'll end it right there. Let me just do it right here. It says my head says gym, but my heart says beer. So we'll end it right there. So that's nice away for you.